advised, K. Transit is confirming the 33 at Port of 38th Avenue, West 44. South Sergeant.
South Sergeant.
South Sergeant. It is a confirmed 33 at Port of 38th Avenue, West 44. I'll give you the exact location in a minute, but it is a confirmed bomb at this time. Station is being evacuated. South Sergeant, you en route, K, right? Same over. Units, use landline only, no radio or cell phone. Be alert for secondary devices when you arrive 84, please.
Sharp 1, since you can show us responding.
Sharp 1 got you responding, K. Y'all read on the message, right? It's a confirmed 33K at Lexington. Well, the exact location they given is Port of 38th Avenue, West 44. I'm waiting for them to say exactly where. It happened inside the subway. They evacuating at this time. When you arrive 84, landline only, no radio or cells. Be alert for secondary devices, please.
Notified transit as well?
Okay, that's who's confirming all of this. They 84 already.
Alright, 10-4,
and they requesting division, so I need y'all guys to respond.
South Sergeant.
South Sergeant.
Central, at my sectors, redirect traffic is needed, and can you advise I'm rolling
10-4, have you 84, Sarge, at 7:23 hours. For the south, please redirect traffic and do as needed.
South David, show us responding.
South David, have you responded?
South Charlie going.
Show South Charlie going.
Southbound Central going.
10-4. At this time, it is 11-1. It's 11-1 in regards to 8th Avenue, West 44. Be advised, K. South Sergeant, be advised, for 42 and 8th is coming over and shots being fired. They state someone shooting, people running. Please check and advise on that, too. They didn't see a shooter. It could possibly be one and the same with the 33.
Central, 84, 428. No shots fired right now. I'll advise you in a minute.
10-4, thank you.
South Trump, who's going in the hole?
South, who's going in the hole?
South Charlie. South Sergeant. On the radio.
5.
You got transit on the division? Can I advise any further here?
Now, the Times Square Sergeant called this, K. We trying to get an exact location of him. Give me a second. Nancy 46 in front of the booth is where the Times Square Sergeant at. Nancy 46 in front of the booth. Also, the mobilization point is 428 top side.
South Frank. That booth number, you have a line in uptown, downtown?
It said the 7 line, K, but we didn't, nothing is confirmed yet as far as the exact location. So give me a second, because right now they trying to get the trains not to stop and to keep going.
South Trump, who's going in the hole?
South, who's going in the hole?
South Charlie.
Right, South Charlie, got you going in the hole. You going in the hole exactly where?
On the section, Spencer, do we have any descriptions?
Description at this time, you talking about in regards to what, the 10S or the 33? The 10S negative. It's believed that it was the noise from the explosion.
Is that a call back just to reconfirm, Central?
Yeah, okay, I'm on it. 07:29 hours, Times Square Sergeant call 11-1, mobilization point is 42 and 8th top side.
10-5 the drop?
11-1 for the 33, the mobilization point is 42 and 8th top side.
South CO, Central, I'm responding.
South CO, have you responding? For that callback for the 10S, K, I got the voicemail. Whatever unit asked me to check the callback on that. When the unit get a moment, they could tell me if the 10S is going to be one and the same with the 33. 7:31 hours once again. Times Square Sergeant call 11-1. The mobilization point is 428 top side. Nothing further at this time. This is in regards to confirmed 33. Right, who responded to the 10-10 shots fired?
North side of midnight.
Right at midnight.
93 Queen, 9924, 97 RMA. Good night.
Well, good night, Ken. No Frank. Wait a second, no Frank. No Frank.
90 extension, good night.
Well, good night. 17 at...
You can have your shoes, July. Empty, so airport.
So far.
1 minute.
17 boy midnight.
1 minute, that's it. Reassign at 53. Step.
South?
South Sergeant.
Oh, sorry.
Central, we have anyone needing to call 427 with the redirect traffic southbound?
What's somebody at 427?
Yeah, it's Central. We could redirect traffic going southbound on 427, or we can have traffic going southbound on 429 as well.
And the south need traffic redirected southbound on 427 and 429. 30 of the sergeant.
South Frank Day,
Frank Day.
Yeah, give us 429. Is everything south?
429, they want the southbound traffic redirected. That's South Frank Day, right?
No, Frank.
No, Frank.
Show me 62 admin. I advise you 198. Or Charlie.
North Charlie.
Yes.
Hercules, report Central.
OCK.
Central 42 and 8 get reports of an explosion over division. They're saying it's a confirmed explosion at the location with the aided team. Advise truck 1 Adam 1 and you please.
10-4, that's in regards to the Port Authority? 1 truck 1, right on the...
By transit, Central.
10-4, Adam 1, truck 1.
Truck 1, Central.
Truck 1 states is a confirmed explosion coming over at the 42nd Port Authority. States a confirmed, as per unit, states a confirmed explosion at this time. 10-4. You 4 right on that?
12, 10-5, that's up.
It's coming over as a confirmed explosion and states possible bomb at this location. Confirmed device.
Torch,
At 42nd Street Port Authority.
ESG Torch, Central.
Issue source, proceed.
Central, division requesting a bomb squad, any issue forthwith. There's numerous buses over to that location.
10-4. You 4 right on that. They say they're evacuating the station at this time. 10-4. Adam 1, truck 1, you right on that 4, please?
Right,
Okay. 4. Be advised, they're going to need units to respond to 42nd Street and 8th Avenue in regards to this. 42 and 8.
7 Central. Has anyone called a level 1 or a level 2 over at that location yet?
It's a negative at this time, not at this time, okay? They just requested issue at this time at the booth at the end, 42 and 8. 42 and 8.
Central, initiate a level 1 over there, please. Car 7.
10-4.
ESG Torch. This is 84, 42 and 8.
Level 1 at this time being called 42 and 8. Authority of car 7.